Hello and welcome to my poster. For our research project, we did a study about the knowledge people have of obesity. Since this is such a growing problem in the United States and all over the world, we wanted to find out whether people were really aware of what factors contribute to obesity and how big of a problem this obesity is in the country. We also wanted to discover if different factors affected whether people knew about obesity, such as education, location, and gender. We collected data through a survey that we distributed through school emails and social media. The data we collected was interesting, but ultimately not conclusive enough to draw any definitive answers. You can see over here in the graph that I chose that having a college degree does not necessarily correspond with having the correct answer. So there is more research that would need to be done on this topic to really gain any definitive results.